Diagnosed with anemia? Let's talk about the foods doctors recommend to restore your strength. Right here with Ubie. Anemia means your body lacks healthy red blood cells, leaving you tired and weak. But the right foods can help you bounce back. Start with iron-rich foods like liver and red meat. These are packed with heme iron. Not a meat eater? No problem. Shellfish, soy products, seaweed, and dark leafy greens like spinach and kale can boost your iron too. Eggs, fish, and fortified cereals are great additions to your diet too. Pair iron-rich foods with vitamin C sources like citrus fruits to enhance absorption. And watch out for coffee, wine, and beer during meals. They can block iron absorption. Why wait for a doctor's visit when you can check what's going on right now for free at ubiehealth.com? The Ubie AI Symptom Checker is doctor-approved and trusted by over 12 million users. Like and follow for more science-backed health tips you can trust.